Hey YouTube, today a quick video on how to install your screen protector for about any phone. This one is a Motorola Moto 1 Action, and I'm going to install this one is Caparnai. I don't know if I pronounce it the right way, but glass Screen Pro Premium tempered glass. So first of all, I'm going to remove the casing. Okay, and I'm going to remove the other screen protector. It's all smashed. If I go with something white, you would see it better. Do I have something white? Yeah. Sorry, but I don't know. Yeah, so you see all the spots. It's all broken. So removing the old glass protector. Oh, broke. Have a crack. Go slowly pulling on it. It's coming off very well. So as you can see, I'm pretty sure. Sorry for the lighting. So there's two in that package. Dust absorber, guide sticker. You have the and there's absolutely no information. Okay, maybe here, preparation. You start with the wet, removing dust, peel off protective layer, attach with label 1, carefully place screen protector, it's going to be blah 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 blah. Okay. So before you do anything, what I did here is just wipe my countertop with a damp microfiber to remove all the dust on the countertop. We don't want any around because it's gonna be stuck between the protective glass and the window of your phone. So you clean that one. Okay. You use the number 2. This one is dry. Does not look perfect. I'm going to use my rubbing alcohol. Okay, now it looks great. Never tried the dust absorber, but I'm going to try it. Okay, so my glass looks pretty clean. No grain of dust on it. I'm removing the protective. This one, number 1, this goes on the glass. Man. Okay, so as you can see, this is not working for my Moto 1 action. Okay, everything went well and smooth, but I don't like all the space around. I'm not happy with that, but installation went pretty smoothly. So this is how it looks. Looks pretty good, but the gap really don't like that. So made in China, looks like it is the wrong one for a Moto 1 action. If I compare, yeah, certainly a bit too small for my taste. The back casing, yeah, awful. Capernaum, whatever it is, wrong model for my phone, even if advertised on Amazon for my phone, it is not. So if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, maybe you can share this, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.